Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with LinkedIn ads. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to track your LinkedIn advertising performance directly within HubSpot, giving you a complete view of how your ads are converting into actual leads and customers. Let's start by opening HubSpot in your web browser. Simply navigate to HubSpot.com and sign in with your credentials. If you're already logged into your account, you can skip this step and move straight to the next part. Once you're in HubSpot, look up to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Here, locate the gear icon labeled Settings and click on it. This is your gateway to all of HubSpot's configuration options, including the integration tools we need to connect LinkedIn ads. After clicking Settings, you'll see a left sidebar appear with various menu options. Look for the section called Tools, and underneath it, you'll find a Marketing option. Click on Marketing to expand this menu, and from the options that appear, select Ads. This section is specifically designed to help you manage and integrate all your advertising platforms in one place. You'll now be forwarded to the HubSpot Ads Optimization page. This is where all your advertising integrations live and where you can monitor performance across different platforms. On this page, click the Get Started with Ads button to begin the integration process. From here, you'll see three options to choose from, allowing you to link either your Facebook ads, Google ads, or LinkedIn ads account. Since we're focusing on LinkedIn today, go ahead and click on the LinkedIn option. This will trigger a new window to pop up, asking you to log into your LinkedIn account and authorize the synchronization between HubSpot and LinkedIn ads. Once you authorize this connection, HubSpot will begin syncing your LinkedIn advertising data, allowing you to track campaign performance, measure ROI, and see which ads are generating the most valuable leads. This integration streamlines your marketing efforts by bringing all your data into one centralized platform, making it easier to make informed decisions about your advertising strategy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.